India! Woo! Woo! We wearing the same t-shirt. Yeah, Goa squad. Yeah! I have a fan club. Okay, I go for a walk. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Goa. This is solo travel there, guys. Woo! Okay, guys, so this is Goa I've been looking for. Welcome to Calangute Beach. And this is totally different what I've seen so far. And you have to see it now. Check it out. Okay, so this is my favorite part of it. I love the way Indian people love the cows. Check this out, guys. The cow is enjoying beach as everybody else. I'm loving it.
Wait.
Cow, you crazy? Okay, next destination, Calangute. My friend Shahrukh. No, he doesn't like Shahrukh Khan. Rollo, yeah, Rollo. And he's an awesome motorcycle. I've probably never been driven a motorcycle like this. Let's go.
They see foreigner like you, then they think they want to take money. They stop me, they check the license and this.
So you need a helmet?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in the middle of nowhere. We need to wait for helmet because obviously police is everywhere and we're not allowed to ride a motorcycle on the way without helmet. So let's do that. Yeah, this is Solo Travel Girl. Welcome to India. Okay guys, so I just arrived to my new destination, Calangute. This is my room. Look at this. But the most of it, I've got the best city view. Look at this on my own balcony. Amazing. Wow, I love it. Yeah guys, this is Calangute. Beautiful, and there are so many colonial houses here that I don't know where to look. Amazing colors. Look at this. Look at all the colors. The green, the purple, the blue, and the palm trees and yellow. And this is Solo Travel Girl. Welcome to Calangute, Goa. My last destination here. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hide the carpets. I personally hate the carpets. I hate the carpets. Under. Thank you. Now I can enjoy my space, my room. It's beautiful, guys. So let's explore Calangute, Goa, India. Good morning, guys. This is Solo Travel Girl and welcome to Calangute Beach. As you can see, I'm full touristy today. I love Goa. On my t-shirt, I really had to do it. And I just want to tell you, this is monsoon season, so we can't swim, but it doesn't matter. I'm still having great fun. And check this out. I'm gonna go for a long walk down there to see the fortress. So let's go, and remember to subscribe. This is Solo Travel Girl, Exploradora. Goa in my heart and Goa in my t-shirt. Let's go. Okay, my people, this is Goa fun. Everyone is just wearing the same t-shirt, and this is so much fun. Look at my t-shirt. Welcome to India! Woo! Woo! Guys, we have the same t-shirt!
Thank you.
Yeah, Goa! Goa, my people! Do you like Goa? Oh, nice! Where are you from?
August. Pune.
Pune! Okay.
Pune in Maharashtra.
We wearing the same t-shirt. Yeah, Goa spot! Yeah! Hey, welcome to Goa!
Hey, Hey, it's a going good.
Yeah, have a fun club! Okay, I go for a walk. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Goa. This is solo travel there, guys. Woo. Crazy people, but Goa is so much fun. Okay, guys, so this is Goa I've been looking for. Welcome to Calangute Beach. And this is totally different what I've seen so far. And you have to see it now. Check it out. Parties everywhere. This is a party place. It's a freaking crazy party place. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so this is my favorite part of it. I love the way Indian people love the cows. Check this out, guys. The cow is enjoying beach as everybody else. I'm loving it. Absolutely, and we do have some sunset. Let's check this out. This is Goa. Crazy party place. Look at this. This is solo travel girl, guys. Goa. The Goa vibe is a party vibe. And it's pretty cool. There you go. And this is Shah Rukh Khan car, guys. Look at this. Okay, guys, so Goa is the place of party. And it's a freaking place of party where even cows are partying. But it's really freaking cool. I really like it. Check this out. And I'm probably the only foreigner here. That's a low season. And I'm freaking loving it. Guys, this is solo travel girl. Welcome to India. Goa! Okay guys, I probably found one of the most beautiful places that served me the most beautiful meal, and trust me, it's just a small local place, but check this out. Indian food has been amazing. I'm absolutely loving it, and all what I wanted. This is Goa, India, guys. Solo travel girl. Never know. Okay, guys. So it's never ending. I have so much fun club here. Okay guys, so this is my last stop in India. It's been Goa. It's been absolutely crazy fun. It's really beautiful. The beaches are amazing. So this is Solo Travel Girl guys. Remember to subscribe. Goa, India and all around the world. Check this out. See you next destination. Bye!